Okay, my eyes look a little swollen. Hey guys, so today's video is a outfit idea type of video. I know you guys love these type of video from me, so I decided to make another one. This video is in partnership with Shein. I want to say a huge thank you to them for working with me. I love their clothing. It's so affordable and it's trendy and good quality. And if you guys don't know, I'm on a budget. I don't like to spend a lot of money on clothing, but I do like to look cute. So Shein is where I shop even when I'm not working with them. So in this video, I consist outfits that I'll usually wear if I'm going anywhere. And I hope you guys find it helpful. You know, if you ever want to stand out from the crowd, or you want bae to recognize you, you want to look all cute all the time, look ready and clean, this video is for you. I think I'm gonna stop rambling, and without further ado, let's get on to the video.
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy, just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy, layer on some diamonds and some pearls. Maybe we could go to the mall, get our nails done, get our hair done, we fly. Maybe we could holler at the boys, looking so good, whistle when they walk by. Cause we know what they want, but we just laugh. Yeah, we won't let them get away with that. We walk tall, our heads held high, cause we so motherfucking fly. Yeah, wings of gold, we touch the sky. That bitch is till we die. We so fly. We so fly. We so fly. We so fly. It's been a night, lighting up too many, smoke up just to show how we get down. It's been a night, we know how to party, dance.
I better find your love, I better find your heart, I better find your love, I better find your heart, I better find your love, I better find your heart, I better find your love. My love and nothing's gonna tear us apart. I'm more than just an option. Refuse to be forgotten. I'm more than just an option. Refuse to be forgotten. I feel it taking over. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. I better find your heart. I better find your love. My love and nothing's gonna tear us apart. Nothing's gonna tear us apart. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year. Who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thank you so much for watching. Like always, once again, all the items in this video will be listed down below in the description box. And also, I have a coupon code from Shein. If you guys want to save some money, some coins, it'll be right here as well as in the description box. And also be sure to let me know which outfit is your favorite in the comment section. I think that's all I have to say. Thank you so much for watching like always, and I will see you in my next video.